United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 231, notification to the flag state and other states concerned. States shall promptly notify the flag state and any other state concerned of any measures taken pursuant to Section 6 against foreign vessels, and shall submit to the flag state all official reports concerning such measures. However, with respect to violations committed in the territorial sea, the foregoing obligations of the coastal state apply only to such measures as are taken in proceedings. The diplomatic agents or consular officers, and where possible the maritime authority of the flag state, shall be immediately informed of any such measures taken pursuant to Section 6 against foreign vessels.